Just to know your view, how do you see जो लोग अभी इतने सारे ये हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन करने वाली कंपनीज हैं यहाँ पर, how do you see or how do you grade them? I mean, if you have a view on that one.
I think everyone does the construction. I have honestly limited knowledge on that, but based on that, I feel ये जो मित्सुई या फिर वेरी हाई क्वालिटी वाले जो है ना, यानी हेबल हाउस हो या फिर ये, it's all about the construction quality and the strength eventually. So मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि anyone is overcharging you, because the charges or the cost overall is so kind of managed in this market so well that generally you won't find that someone bluffed you too much for a very high value. So if someone is selling, he would be maximum 2 to 3 million yen. I'm talking about Ikotate for instance. Ikotate के केस में 2-3 million yen here and there, but he won't charge you very very high, and there would be reasons. So अगर आपको कहीं पर ऐसा लगा कि you have negotiated well, it is actually for your own happiness. You can feel that you did a good negotiation, but it is just that he was going to give you few freebies that he cancels out. So it is always what you get is what you see, and what you deserve basically. But so Hebel House ho, for instance, या फिर Mitsui ho, Mitsui Fudosan and all these guys, they have constructed very high quality rooms, but then they will also come with steel or more earthquake resistant and other features as well, which actually helps the longevity of your house in these cases is much higher as compared to your normal Fudosan. Like आपने देखा, अगर open house for instance, he comes on a lower end on the side, so they can construct a house. If land अगर हो, एक decent house अगर बनाना है तो 1,500 मान एक टाइम था. अब maybe because of the cost and inflation also,
COVID,
it might have gone to maybe Nisemman plus. So they can build a house in Nisemman as well. So it all depends. If I have to tell you, if I have to ask you guys, एक रूम जब मैं अभी अपना घर ये करते वक्त मैंने रिसर्च किया था, then I realized even during the Lotus construction times, so एक वॉल जो होती है ना, एक रूम सपोज 6 तातामे की रूम है, 4 वॉल्स है, उसमें से एक वॉल अगर आपकी है, उसमें 6 बोर्ड्स लगते हैं, यानी वॉल के 6 बोर्ड्स जनरली मेक्स 1 वॉल. हाँ, ऐसे 4 रूम्स 4 वॉल्स, सो टोटल हम करेंगे तो 24 के करीब होगा, राइट. सो एक रूम बनाने के लिए वो वॉल्स का खर्चा कितना होता है. हाँ, या फिर एक ये जो प्लैंक है ना, आउट ऑफ दिस 24 प्लैंक्स, एक प्लैंक, व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ दैट वन प्लैंक. तो मैं जब पूछता हूँ तो लोग कहते हैं कि से 1 लाख येन.
Right. Maybe 1 or 2 month, I don't know.
600 येन.
Oh my God, that's
600 येन. अगर आप होम्स में जाओगे ना, एंड द सेम क्वालिटी दे यूज्ड, द सेम थिंग, आप होम्स में जाओगे तो होम्स कसाई का जो होम्स है, वहां पर आप नीचे वाला जो रोड साइड पार्किंग है ना नीचे में, उस पार्किंग में कार लगाओ, सामने ही वहां पर प्लैंक्स रखे हैं, राइट. 540 येन में मिलता है विद जेइकोमी, मे बी रुपया को समथिंग, राइट. 600 येन की एक प्लैंक आती है, इसका मतलब मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 24, राइट. आपका 1.5 मान में एक रूम बन गया वॉल, एंड जो पिलर्स होते हैं ना, 4 पिलर्स साइड के, it comes at not more than 3,000 yen. So you can imagine the cost actually is very low, very low. It is all about the services, right? It is all about the services. So Japan is all about product हमेशा सस्ता, सारा service cost होता है.
Ikodate is built for 10 years, built for 20 years.
हाँ.
What is that? Again, the quality of the material changes.
Quality of the materials, obviously the quality of materials, but more importantly the kind of wood they use, the kind of foundation they have, earthquake resistance, और ये भी, the यानी क्या कहते हैं, माइन्यूट डिटेल्स बट सारा ये होता है. साइडिंग की क्वालिटी होती है.
Right.
जैसे हम लोग बीच में अभी बात कर रहे थे कि साइडिंग की भी फायर रेजिस्टेंस कितना होता है उसमें. 45 मिनट्स का होता है, 60 मिनट्स का होता है, 90 मिनट्स का होता है. उसके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है. बट द लॉन्जेटिविटी बेसिकली डिपेंड्स ऑन बेस फाउंडेशन एंड उसमें क्या क्या यूज किया है. यानी इसमें भी केरियो जूरियो करके फंडा होता है. यानी अगर आप वुडन में होगा तो वुडन इज जनरली ऑन पेपर 20 years, बट दैट विल यू नो आई हैव सीन वुडन हाउसेस दैट हैव लिव्ड मोर देन 100 years आल्सो. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट देन बाय दैट टाइम उसमें फिर वो क्या कहते हैं शिरोआरी और ये सब होने की संभावना भी होती है, जिसको हम लोग व्हाइट एंड्स कहते हैं ना. सो उसकी वो भी चैलेंजेस होते हैं. बट देन ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो हो सकता है. फिर मिजुमोरे हो सकता है, रोसुई वगैरह. फिर छत खराब हो सकती है. सो छत की भी क्या क्वालिटी यूज की है उसमें. एवरी सिंगल मटेरियल मैटर्स. एंड देन व्हेन यू हैव नेगोशिएटेड एंड कोई लोअर कंस्ट्रक्शन वाला जो होता है वो हमेशा कम लाइफ वाली चीजें यूज करता है, इसीलिए वो सस्ता होता है. सो इसकी भी सिंपल आपने अगर छत देखा ना तो छत 30 साल टिकने वाला छत भी मिलेगा और 5 साल भी टिक नहीं पाएगा ऐसा भी छत मिलता है. तो उसकी इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वालिटी दे हैव यूज्ड एंड दैट इज वेयर द प्राइस कम्स इन. एंड इसके आगे अगर आपने सेकंड लेवल इज ग्रेड स्टील. स्टील में जूरियो केरियो यानी लाइट वेट और हेवी वेट होता है. एंड देन कंक्रीट. Concrete has the highest longevity. Concrete can easily go up to 70-80 years. But on paper, it has a life of 45 years. 40 से 45 years. Steel का approximately 30 to 35 years होता है. यानी these are the ages that you have to see in terms of your loan. Because ultimately what you want to see is finally longevity of the house obviously. But कौन रहने वाला है actual 35 साल वहाँ पर. बट इवेंचुअली व्हाट यू सी इज जब आप सेल करोगे सामने वाले को 35 साल का लोन मिलेगा कि नहीं. दैट इज व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. सो काफी लोगों ने मुझे पूछा कि कौन से एज में अगर पुराना हम लोग ले रहे हैं रूम सपोज तो कैसे लेना चाहिए. राइट, दिस इज मोर फ्रॉम अ कमर्शियल एंगल. हाँ, सिलेक्शन. सो सपोज आप आरसी रीइंफोर्स कंक्रीट वाले बिल्डिंग में मैंशन में एक रूम ले रहे हो. Ideal age should be 15 to 25 years is where you should buy that property. क्योंकि 10-15 साल के बाद में सामने वाले का इंटरेस्ट कम हो जाता है. यानी उसका इंटरेस्ट होता है कि ये बेचना है मुझे बस. सो दैट इज अ वेरी गुड टाइम. वो कहते हैं ना सबसे अच्छा साल होता है 16वां साल. दैट इज द परफेक्ट टाइम. 16 years is the right timing when you should see कोई सामने वाला बेच रहा है, परफेक्ट एज है, उसको भी बेचने में इंटरेस्ट होता है, आपको भी खरीदने के लिए अच्छा एज होता है. बिकॉज वो टाइम पे आपने खरीदा एंड देन 25 इयर्स खत्म होने तक बेच दिया तो स्टिल यू आर लेफ्ट विथ ऑन पेपर 45 इयर्स के बाकी के 20 साल बाकी है. सो 25 साल होने के बाद 10 साल के बाद में आपने भी बेच दिया. सामने वाला खरीदने वाला भी खरीदार भी होता है. राइट, सो दैट इज अ परफेक्ट एज ऑफ अ रूम व्हेन यू शुड बाय. सो किसी मैंशन को 16 साल हुए हैं, 15-16 साल, दैट इज द परफेक्ट टाइम यू शुड बाय. 25 साल होने तक बेच दो फिर से.
सही है.
I think just for a calculation and understanding purpose, I think there are two ways to gain into this business. One is when you buy and put it on rent, so you are getting rent, but that rent might not be that big, but you are still getting good money. The best money is there because, like, say you kept it for 10 years. For 10 years you were getting the rent, but after 10 years if you decide to sell, by that 10 year you have already paid to the bank.
Right.
So that much amount you have created for yourself if you sell on the same price you bought. So the return at the time of selling after 10 years is substantially much bigger.
Yes.
Plus your
the cash
rent.
flow. Yes.
So overall 10 year is a
very super
profitable
time.
business.
Super
And I
time.
have seen one case.
Actually you should do this.
Yeah.
That is the way you should actually see it because राइट टाइम पे हमने बेचा ना तो उसका वैल्यू भी मिलता है. राइट, ज्यादा लॉन्ग होने के बाद में यू नेवर नो द काइंड ऑफ फैसिलिटीज पीपल माइट बी लुकिंग इनटू अ बिल्डिंग बिकॉज एवरी डे ये तो सोशल इनोवेशन एंड सोशल रिवोल्यूशन का जमाना है जहां पर एंड स्पीड भी देखो ना. एनी इनोवेशन इज हैपनिंग सो फास्ट, राइट, सो क्विक के न्यू फैसिलिटीज, न्यू अमेनिटीज इन द बिल्डिंग एटसेट्रा can only come in new built apartments, right? So even if your apartment is selling at a good price, yani lower price, someone may not even दैट मे नॉट बी हिज ऑप्शन एनी मोर, कि किसी को चाहिए कि नहीं अभी लिफ्ट में मुझे ये फीचर भी चाहिए मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट, या फिर रूम के अंदर आजकल जैसे फॉर इंस्टेंस यूकादाम्बो, कुछ लोगों का ये कहना है कि यूकादाम्बो होना ही चाहिए, राइट? सो इवन इफ आपका घर कितना भी सस्ता हो बट उसमें यूकादाम्बो अभी बैठ ही नहीं सकता है फॉर इंस्टेंस, फॉर दैट पर्सन देन द डिमांड माइट बी लेस कंपैरेटिवली. सो ऐसे सारे जो फीचर्स हैं ना, वो ज्यादा लॉन्ग भी अगर आप वो रूम रखोगे तो बाय दैट टाइम भले आपकी प्राइस लो हो जाए बट दैट मे नॉट नेसेसरली बी द रिक्वायरमेंट एट दैट टाइम. सो उसको यंग एज में लेके, यंग जितना ज्यादा ओल्ड ना हो उस एज में बेचना सबसे.
One very important point you said that I would like to highlight for people who are who looks at this from the business point of view. There is a big myth about anyone who is investing. That's my view. Investing into any business, and for specifically for this business, that they start expecting day one it is profitable. But no business works that way. You have to put some initial good efforts, because you said that when you bought initially 5 apartments were empty, you paid from your pocket. Now looking back after 100 months or 8 years of span, now if you look back then you see that was worth, and now you are gaining. But that initial turbulence in the investments is the biggest limitation or bottleneck for anyone to jump into the business. I think that has to be decoded.
Absolutely. And I would perfectly agree with that. The initial turbulence is all about it actually tests your patience. It's a test of time, right? पेशेंस की बहुत ज़रूरत है उस समय आपको. देन यू एक्चुअली नीड टू रीथिंक ऑन योर स्ट्रेटजीज एज वेल. ये क्या करना चाहिए, क्या करूँगा तो लोग आएंगे. एंड डिपेंडिंग ऑन द लोकेशन, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द काइंड ऑफ सर्विसेज और कैसा टाइप का आपका कस्टमर पर्सोना है, राइट? अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट कस्टमर पर्सोना इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. लाइक इन दिस साइतामा वाला बिल्डिंग, here I know that the Japanese people are going to stay. Then the strategy is completely different. No shaking, no raking is something very attractive for Japanese. पहले 1-2 महीने का रेंट भी फ्री कर दो. People came in quickly, and then well, in a positive way I would say, make them addicted to the place. They've got a good visibility, अच्छा nature, attached to nature है. They can run here and walk. हेल्दी रह सकते हैं, व्यू अच्छा है, एवरीथिंग गॉट गुड स्पेस, टेरेस फ्लैट्स है. तो देन दे आर अट्रैक्टेड, राइट? देन नो वन इज गोइंग टू लीव, एंड स्पेशली पार्किंग भी क्लोज्ड है. सो देन गिव देम द फ्रीबीज. लाइक मैंने बीच में एक बार ऐसा भी कैंपेन किया था कि 4 साल खत्म होने के बाद मैं साइकिल दी थी, तो 2-3 साइकिल्स दिए थे लोगों को. तो दे आर वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट, राइट? नो वन डज दैट, and we know that, you know, small things, it is just saying thank you to them, right, for doing the quotient
for that,
right? And then no one actually wants to leave, right? Unless and until they are in a difficult situation, kind of, they won't leave. or any tenkin वगैरह होता है, किसी का जॉब ट्रांसफर वगैरह होता है, फिर जॉब चेंज होता है तो लोकेशन चेंज होता है तो, बट अदरवाइज पीपल विल स्टे. देन रेंट भी मैंने कभी भी नहीं बढ़ाया, बट द अदर वे अराउंड, Lotus and all, they are in Kasai. Our customer there is completely Indian, so we have made it completely Indianized. We are focusing short timers there. So the
what is the definition of short term?
Short term definition is actually anything has to be at least 15 days.
Okay.
And not more than 1 year.
Okay.
उसके ऊपर का के भी लोग हैं, obviously there are couple of, but most of them are short timers.
So when you get them, like when they rent it, do they have to convey you the duration right upfront, or it's like
well, I generally expect them to convey the duration, because
you understand
because there have been situations where I remember so there's a language school nearby, Lotus, who has a tendency of booking like July or August के जो rooms हैं, they had booked and paid in Jan. So it's all in advance payments, right? So then you have to be very careful about. Then I have to confirm with everyone. So sometimes people also feel that they get a little bit, annoyed with why someone asking for their tenure, but it's necessary for these reasons.
I'll go back to one point. I think it's to attach to your business model. and the shift of mindset of people who wants to join. So your business model has one aspect of you own a property, give it to me and I will manage it and rent it out, right? And in that case, the people who are investing, their mindset shift is very important. That's why what we discussed initially is it differentiate between a person and a business owner, that you are ready to take a turbulence.
Yeah, absolutely.
That is in a way called risk. But that mindset, if you switch from I can take a turbulence of initial, which you have proven Jidwan Bhai ki case or this building case.
Yes.
So that is what is differentiating and making a difference. And same mindset people if come together, then those people are your investors.
Yeah. So very recently this happened. We started this in Jan, a building, a mansion room, just 1 minute walk from Nishikasai South exist. Okay, and this owner was obviously one of our Indian friends. So he said, "Pura room pada hua hai, it's not been used and it's been in a very terrible situation. Not very bad, but you know it's not in a immediately kind of rentable situation. So how do you want to do it?" I said, "I'm interested." So he said, but he didn't want to kind of invest anything additionally further, because he said a lot of cost has already been gone to cleaning and renovating that room and all that. So I said, थोड़ा बहुत एक basic खर्चा करते हैं, give me that, I'll take the risk, so I'll bear that cost, I'll do that. And he said, but obviously I'll be happy to pay if all goes well. And that is how we started. And initially there was a 4 people family came from Australia, Indians जो पहले पुराने जापान में रहते थे, then they later on shifted to Australia. They said हम लोग घूमने के लिए आ रहे हैं, हमारा PR भी extension करना है इसलिए आ रहे हैं. And then 15 days they were ready to pay 15 मान, 1,50,000. I said, interesting. That's how that room, he didn't have that idea that he would get that rent immediately. And then it started from there since 15th of Jan, I guess, 17 Jan to 2nd Feb. I still remember that days, right? And वहाँ से शुरू हुआ, and since then there's no looking back. I mean, 1,50,000 yen. Recently we had a situation wherein there was a corporate who said we are ready to pay 3,50,000 yen for the same room.
Wow.
That is the kind
really
of situation we are in. But that person also wanted breakfast and all the other stuff also. But then that's how
person is ready to pay double.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Because they want those facilities, they needed some good quality bed and all other stuff. TV होना चाहिए. The demand is heavy. Today people are demanding. Yes, I need a smart TV. Right. I need this. I need table, chair, everything. सारी चीजें होनी चाहिए. रोज सुबह 8 बजे मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट मेरे पास पहुंचना चाहिए. That has to be pure vegetarian. उसमें मैं आलू टिक्की और आलू पराठा ही खाता हूँ. All that conditions, but the conditions were there, but the company was ready to pay. Right. That's how, and then you get the returns what you want. Now that person is very happy for starting this, because all he wanted was a stabilized income every month, and at the same time the room needs to be very clean. The room is cleaned every 15 days, and the photos before and after actually reach him also very regularly. So that guarantees him that the room is always clean, right? So short term में ये एक अच्छा रहता है that you have a very good control on your room, जो आपको ये लेवल में actually नहीं होता है. साइतामा rooms में Japanese जब रहते हैं long term, उसमें you don't have the control.
But don't you have a model like these Danchis and all offer? So you have to pay 2 months of deposit initially, and when a person leave, like there is also timeline, like before 5 years, after 5 years. So then they will inspect, do the room, check condition and all, and depending on how much damage has occurred, then they will cut from that deposit and they will return the remaining one.
Absolutely. So that is the reason why what we have done. We wanted to take this entire thing away, because short timers actually come with a completely different mindset. Even corporates also, they want to completely outsource it, right? And they're like, I always say this to my kids, that what are we doing? Actually we are selling popcorn in a theater. लोग थिएटर देखने को आते हैं, आप पॉपकॉर्न बेच रहे हैं. ये मत भूलना, लोग पॉपकॉर्न खाने आते हैं. लोग थिएटर में मूवी देखने के लिए आते हैं, राइट? आप उनको पॉपकॉर्न बेच रहे हो ना, उनका एक्सपेक्टेशन पॉपकॉर्न से पॉपकॉर्न तक का ही लिमिटेड होता है. दे विल नॉट कम फॉर आज मैं वो टोमेटो वाला पॉपकॉर्न के लिए जाऊंगा एंड देन साथ में मूवी देखूंगा, नहीं. सो सिमिलरली देयर जॉब इज कंप्लीटली, दे आर फोकस्ड इन, अरे मुझे ये डेट को आना, ये आना, एंड वो अकोमोडेशन कर ले यार, वो अकोमोडेशन का हो गया ना, हाँ ठीक है, दैट्स इट. It's like that popcorn.
That's true. That's true.
So we want to completely settle them down and make it seem like so seamless that we have told them that tell me if you want your person to be picked up from the airport, dropped in our rooms. Everything will be completely, now this is, the contracts are digitized, all digital contracts. Right, invoice will be sent to your HR or anyone to the admin person. No shikikin, no raking, nothing. No deposit money at all. No management fee, no introduction fee, nothing. No damage repair fee, unless damage and repairs will be raised only after you leave during the inspection. Only heavy damages and heavy cleaning would be charged. And utilities and everything is kind of included. So that makes it very simple for them. All they want is, accommodation is just done.
Ticked.
So we want, हाँ एक टिक होता है ना, वो वही करना है. So
how is the
well, मेरा एक था, जैसे now you are talking about mostly Indian customers or Western customers. I just want to come back on this one where there were mostly Japanese customers in Saitama, and you talked about out of 17 units, 5 were still not filled up yet. Yeah. What was your tactics in terms of marketing? How did you reach out to those customers? Because this is kind of not in our control.
Yeah.
Like, did you hire someone or did you do it on your own?
To ask, how is your insourcing?
Yeah.
Insourcing. Insourcing in this case was as anyone would have standard done. Because here there is no play. I tried it a lot. I'll tell you. Honestly, Saitama bhi मैंने try किया. Then there were a couple of Indians. Then there were a couple of Indian cooks who wanted to stay, but then they thought this is pricey and all that. Then eventually I realized that this is not the place where we can do it very similar to what we are doing in Kasai and other areas. This has to be a very pure Japanese play. So we went pure play, regular vendors, Mini and all that, same stuff, but through my Khandri Gaisha. So ultimately you cannot go directly to Mini, right? So Mini is the क्या कहते हैं वो L1 level के होता है. You actually start with L3 or L2 generally. So your Khandri Gaisha is fixed. I had a Khandri Gaisha who actually goes to Mini and all these Appaman shop and all that. And then basically इसमें AD नाम का concept होता है, which is called as actually short of advertising fee. So you have to pay an AD to those guys for shokai. So they generally charge with 1 or 2 months of shokai ryo. That's it. But then the only formula was, and they used to tell me that none of the Japanese people ever come with these things. I said, आज रूम खुला है, आज रूम 5 दिन में रूम रेडी होगा. अगर अगले 5 दिन में ही अगर रूम गया तो 3 months का रेंट मैं एडी दूंगा. अगले 15 दिन में गया तो 2 महीने का, और 1 महीने के बाद में हुआ तो 1 महीने का. So generally that 15 days wala, that 3 months and 5 days wala 3 months, or 15 days wala 2 months is to work.
That is also
that's really a good one.
That is it. Because you know that losing 3 months rent is very high. Yes. Suppose अगर हमने एवरेज लिया यहाँ का 6 मंथ का रेंट तो 18 मंथ उसी में गया. But remember, losing even 1 month or 2 months otherwise, it's anyways painful. And important is एक बार बंदा आया, he stays there for 2 years, right? In this case, it's not like Lotus where people may or may not stay there. So for this, getting it occupied immediately is very important. It is more mental than anything, than monetary and the other way.
Right. I think for Indians living in like Edogawa-ku area, it's quite common. They're used to this no rake-in, no shike-in. But I think applying that idea here for Japanese customers, I think that's something where they are not used to.
Sometimes it also backfires because the Japanese think that room में कुछ problem है.
Okay.
कुछ problem हो सकती है, because see, everything you give anything good, people might think कि कुछ challenges भी है. Because there are places which you could इवन जापानीज में होते हैं ना, शेकिन रेकिन नाशी होता ही है, बट चूका तिसुरियो वगैरह सब कुछ चला जाता है, ऐसा कोई नहीं है. की मनी यानी फिर वो क्या कहते हैं, इंश्योरेंस हुकेन गो, दैट इज आल्सो कंप्लीटली डन जीरो फॉर देम. So that is the biggest attraction, I guess.
Right.
That is all cost that then I have to bear from pocket. But
Right.
one time cost, I say, ठीक है, शुरू में गया,
Right.
then जो 2 साल रहते हैं ना,
Hmm.
eventually no one wants to do the Hikoshi.
Right.
Because Hikoshi के cost भी बढ़ रहे हैं.
बढ़ रहे हैं, right.
So no one wants to do the Hikoshi. And the only thing is that अगर से Rokugatsu, Shichigatsu, Hachigatsu का time होगा, that is the time I give those less freebies compared to Sangatsu and all that.
हाँ.
Because Sangatsu वाले जो होते हैं ना, वो चले जाने के भी chances होते हैं. Sangatsu to Sangatsu. But Rokugatsu, Shichigatsu is a very odd time.
हाँ.
जहाँ पर अब मैं जाऊँ कि नहीं?
No moment.
No. तो उनको नए घर भी क्विकली मिलते नहीं है ना, so they generally tend to stay. So those are also some of the tricks that you have to actually learn, and then
I think the key takeaway is like, I mean, goes back to the basics of business and sales. I guess know your customers.
Yeah.
And act accordingly.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
Because I think the way you describe that you're doing all digital transactions with the Kasai property.
Right.
And I think the people who are engaged with it will expect you to do
yeah, absolutely,
that. Right.
absolutely.
Which is the other way around when it comes
Yeah,
to other kind
actually,
of customers.
जब बेचते हैं ना, so this is from the investment side. जब बेचते हैं तो there is a catch that आप जब ये 10 साल का हम लोग बात कर रहे थे ना, that 10 years के बाद में बेच दो. Ideally you should sell it anytime after 5 years. क्योंकि and ideally 6 years.
6 years is
6 years is
capital
the
gain
limit.
is half
Correct,
for that,
correct.
20%,
Correct.
otherwise 39%.
Right.
Yes, 40% यानी almost half हो जाता है. So that
This
is
is
a point
long-term-
that we can
long-term
actually
outlook.
If you are selling before 6 years,
Right.
you will be paying 39%.
Right. That's a short-term gain.
और अगर if you are 19%
That's a long term.
around, हाँ.
straight away half आपका
Half हो
tax
जाता
बच
है.
गया.
Right. Right.
And that's
the
the